This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the tools. Charge the Ti-84 plus CET to at least half so the update won't fail, and install Ti-Connect CE on your computer. Plug the USB-C cable into the calculator and a USB port. Make sure the calculator screen stays on. Once connected, launch Ti-Connect CE so it can detect the device. This immediate connection step lets the software read your OS version and memory, which determines the exact update file you'll need next. You check the calculator OS in the About menu so you know whether an update is necessary, and Ti-Connect CE will show device details. Then download the correct OS file within Ti-Connect CE or from the official source through its interface. Matching versions avoids bricking. Once downloaded, drag the 8ZU file into the device view and hit send or install. During transfer, keep the cable connected and avoid sleeping the computer so the write completes cleanly and the bootloader updates properly. You let the calculator finish the install. It will usually restart automatically when the OS flashes. After reboot, go to About to verify the new version and run a quick check. Launch the home screen, open apps, and graph a simple function. If something goes wrong, first reconnect the cable and retry transfer. If that fails, use a different USB port or cable and reinstall Ti-Connect CE. As a last resort, use the calculator's recovery mode or consult official support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.